Are we in Jurassic Park now?
I think so. It's not clear.
We're in Jurassic Park. Roll out.
What if God was one of I'm pretty sure that was a theme to Jurassic Park. I mean, everyone to each his own.
Mom, no!
Oh, dang.
Oh! Oh my god.
Quit running into this stupid thing. Come.
Go to my back.
Yes. Whatever you want, mother.
Huh.
How about you? No, Sam, go back. Trust. Trust.
I can't trust you
Trust.
when you do that.
Trust me. Jump. No, go back to the button. Jump. Do you not see what's above us? There you go.
I don't want. Shoot him! Shoot him! Thank you, Mom.
I'll do anything for my little boy. You make me want to be
I got the key card of life.
You've got nothing, you understand, you piece of shit. You've got nothing, you understand, you piece of shit.
Get off me, Mom.
You piece of shit.
I'm done with your crap.
You piece of shit. Wait, we have to bleep that out.
Let him come. That was for Dad.
Your father.
Kyle, did you see this
Your father
Taurus
died in
curve?
the terrible hot dog eating contest of '94.
Oh, he got me.
It's right here.
95, Mom.
I'm out of ammo.
Got him. Oh my god.
It's right here.
95, Mom.
I'm out of ammo.
Got him. Oh my god. Ah. Climb, Mom. You can do it. Climb.
You climb.
Ah. Oh gosh, Mom. Why? Why? Okay. Let's try going back.
Yeah, pop.
Try and jumping in there.
Oh, what?
You're welcome.
Oh no!
Jump down here. Thank you, son.
Jesus just got fake bullets.
Where at? Go, son, go.
You
Run.
have to kill him!
I have no bullets.
Do you not have a knife?
That way, son. That way.
Just...
No!
Do you not have a knife?
Get on my shoulder, son. Go. This idiot's rolling.
Can you not melee him?
What?
No!
Go now. Go. Well. Stay here, son. Oh, crap.
You go. No, don't come down here, you idiot! We'll go up, we'll go down. Stop jumping!
I need a med pack. Go. Don't you dare jump down here. Don't you. Mother, drinker. Jump up there now. Go.
Thank you.
What? This game is much harder
You
than
go
that.
left, I go
You only
right.
had
Ready?
2 cigars. Why didn't you keep them?
I had 3.
Ammo.
Oh, sorry.
Oh!
What'd I say?
This game is much harder
You
than
go
that.
left, I
You
go
only
right.
had 2
Ready?
cigars. Why didn't you keep them?
I had 3.
Ammo.
Oh, sorry.
Oh! You died. You died on me.
What the
Look at
heck?
this health. I didn't have enough bullets.
Well, it gave us, it re-gave us everything. We
Oh,
needed.
sweet goodness, yes. Click the button, son. Click the button. Never mind. There's nothing.
What did we learn about ammo?
That if we die, we get more.
Precious.
You go left, I go right. You go left. What'd I say?
He was hiding behind the door. I couldn't do
They can
anything.
hide behind the doors.
Hey,
How do we do that?
Oh gosh, what is? Oh gosh, oh gosh.
They have black cocks.
Big black hairy cocks.
Oh no! The black cocks are coming for us.
The black cocks are like marine. They're super soldiers.
Super cock.
Son, why? No, you're never mind. Mom, why?
Ammo,
Now.
pick up the
You're a
ammo.
disappointment
What are you
as a son. I want you to know that. I love your brother more than you.
I hate you, Mom.
I hate you too, son. Oh my, will you actually kill somebody for a change? Thank you. Now wait for me to run away. She looks like that picture.
What? Okay, let's go back. She's going for those black cocks. Oh, the key! The key! Got him.
Ah, little budgies.
It
seems you want
like
a
our
general's daughter. We want your general.
Very strange for her father.
Or.
Or catch her if you can.
Do we get to make a choice? I guess.
See you, General. So do we have to turn back this way? We do! We do!
Look at them black cocks everywhere. Black cock down.
Jump! No, go back and jump.
Edit all your talking.
Jump! No, go back and jump.
Edit all your talking.
Like if we
Are
see
you
it-
kidding
We
me?
had to go all the way back there for this. Come on.
Barka barka.
Let's go, Mom.
Myself.
I hate your son.
Guy.
I hate my son too. You son. Oh, is this what we needed? Yep.
So you've met the General's daughter. Who is this?
What, isn't she a handler? She just runs left and right, you idiot. I landed her trying to rescue her.
I
It looks
hate
like
that
we're
sound.
going to jail.